Still using old Excel billing? Upgrade to Advanced Excel Billing. Welcome to Home Screen. Billing button for Open Billing Sheet. Here is exactly what the layout looks like. Home button for Home Screen. Incoming Delivery Challan Register button. Incoming delivery challan detail you can save. Back to bill page. Invoice number. Invoice date. Company name select from the list or type. Address and GST autofill based on company. If you change company name, address and GST number will also change based on company name. Enter billing details here, like S.No, code, description, remarks, SACO or Shen, quantity and rate per number. Amount will autofill by calculating quantity and rate. Total value, total quantity, GST and final total with GST Auto calculate. Amount in words also autofill. If this value changes, dependent values update automatically. You can save using this Save button. Click here to clear the bill instantly. Click here to save as PDF. You will save all the page in PDF view. Click here if you only need the first page of the bill as a PDF. Easily switch the bill copy type to original, duplicate, triplicate, or quadruplicate using these buttons. Save your PDF files anywhere. By default, they are saved to the desktop. Use this button to start a new bill. Will clears both the bill items and the company details. Click this button to view your entire billing history and saved invoices. Here, you can separate and view paid and unpaid bills. Finally, click Exit to close the billing application. Share your valuable thoughts and feedback in the comments. This video gives you a quick overview of our advanced Excel billing system. In upcoming videos, I'll share a step-by-step guide on how to build it, along with all its powerful features. I will also update it regularly to make it even easier to use. If you find this helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and support the channel for more content.